It's easy to lose sight of what really matters. Refocus. Slow down. Immerse yourself. Be in the moment. Reconnect with nature. Make new friends. Share laughter. Breathe. Take it all in. It's been right in front of you all along. Vanuatu. Discover what matters.